In one of my previous video, I've shown how do we make the combination of monthly and weekly IronFly and how we can achieve more than 10%, 7%, but I already crossed 10% because my capital is 20 lakhs. You can see here in the third week, we are just done with the third week expiry. So I achieved more than 10% with my 20 lakhs capital, and I will also just move up and show you one thing. You can see 2 lakhs is locked. Wherever the market goes, 2 lakhs is locked, and I can also earn 2.15 lakhs. That means I still have a small profit to gain. I'll wait for that maximum profit. So we are exactly at the middle in the market. The market expires in the middle, somewhere here. I'll have more profit. That's the idea. We will also see how we have booked the different expiries in the left side. Okay, let me drag it to the up. So these 23rd are the different buy legs I have booked in different market conditions, as we only play with the buy legs in the monthly fly. And the weekly expiries, you can see the third week 16th expiry I have booked in multiple scenarios, and 9th expiry, that was second weeks, and 2nd Feb, that is the first week expiry. So I still have my original sell legs of the monthly expiry, and I booked monthly buy legs many times, and I have 2 more legs for the hedging. So let's see how this ends up. So maybe targeting 12%. So maximum profit is locked to 12%. If I make some more adjustments, that can either further increase, but at least 2 lakhs is locked. Okay, thank you.